Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to remove chat from taskbar on the Windows 11. So first of all, all you need to do, just go and open your start menu or settings through wherever you want. For me, I'm just going to click at the Windows key at my keyboard, and simply I'm just going to write settings and hit the enter button. And that should open this page for me. From here, I would like to click for me at personalization, and once I am here, I would like to click at the taskbar here at this options. Once I am here, as you can see, we will have this taskbar items. So if you have this chat on your taskbar, and as you can see, if you right click on it, you'll not be able to pin it or unpin it. As you can see here, I have those applications. If I right click on it, I can pin it on the taskbar or unpin it from the taskbar if I want. But for this chat, I cannot do anything for it even if I right click on it. So how can we remove it? As we said, go to settings, go to personalizations, and click of course on taskbar. And on this taskbar items, you'd like to turn off this chat. Of course, you can turn on other stuff if you want, the widgets, the search, the task view, and of course you can turn them off if you don't want them to appear on your taskbar. And of course there is other stuff that you can do here with your taskbar, so you can just go and check them all if you want, especially those taskbar behaviors, which is the most important for you. Just do whatever comforts you. Of course there's this option of on the center or on the left, and of course other stuffs here that you'd like to try if you want. So once you finish, just go and hit the X button and you'll be actually good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and goodbye.